This is a story wrapped in mystery, born not in the light of day, but in the shadows of the night. Today, he is worshipped like a god. But who was the man behind the stories? Who was Om Banna? Why did a simple Royal Enfield bullet become a miracle in the eyes of thousands in Rajasthan? Does the soul of Om Banna still roam the stretch between Jodhpur and Pali? Truck drivers tell tales of a figure appearing out of pitch black darkness. Is it a haunting or a garden? Do people really owe their lives to the bullet wale Om Banna in the dead of night? Today we dive deep into the legend, the faith and the chilling truth behind India's most mysterious highway temple. To understand the miracle, we have to understand the map. Long before he was Bullet Wale Baba, he was Om Singh Rathore. Born into the noble family of Zamindar Jog Singh, Om Banna carried a natural aura of authority, a certain robe that commanded respect. But beneath that powerful exterior was a heart known for its kindness. From his childhood, the people of his village knew him as a man who would never turn away someone in need. This was the 1980s. In an era where most people had barely seen a motorcycle, Om Banna rode a beast, the Royal Enfield Bullet. Today, the Bullet is a lifestyle, but 35 years ago, it was a statement of pure power and status. To the villagers, seeing Om Banna thumping down the dusty roads on his machine wasn't just a sight, it was an event. He was a modern-day knight in a land of ancient legends. But on that fateful night, that iconic engine sound would suddenly fall silent, leaving behind a mystery that would haunt this highway forever. Om Banna was riding his Royal Enfield Bullet from Pali to Chotala, but he never made it home. Near a sharp curve, he lost control, hit a tree and died instantly. The local police arrived, took the body and towed the bike to the police station. But that's where the miracle happened. Inside the police station, the silence was shattered by a sound that shouldn't have been there. The Enfield started acting like a haunted toy. Without a key, without a rider, and with an empty tank, the engine would roar to life on its own in the middle of the night. The police bound the bike with heavy iron chains and locked the gates. But witnesses claim they heard the sound of metal snapping under immense pressure. In the morning, the chains lay on the ground, broken and discarded like paper. The locks were intact, the gates were closed, but the bike was gone. It had already travelled back to the exact spot where Om Banna breathed his last. The shrine of Om Banna is different. It isn't grand, it isn't massive. It's a simple spot by the side of a busy highway. The grandeur of this place, it doesn't come from its architecture. It comes from the millions of souls who stop here. It's the sheer weight of their belief. They don't come for the spectacle, they come to feel a presence. They come because in a world of uncertainty, this is where they find a strange, comforting sense of protection. Every day, thousands reach this threshold to ask for a wish or simply to say thank you for a safe journey. In this temple, the Bullet is the deity. At the center of this shrine stands the original 350cc Royal Enfield Bullet. Registration number RNJ7773, adorned in flowers and sacred threads. It's no longer just a vehicle, it's the heart of a living ritual. What makes this shrine truly unique isn't just the story, it's the people who breathe life into every single hour. This temple is the sanctuary of the road. Truck drivers, bus conductors, solo bikers and long-distance travelers, everyone stops here to pay their respects before continuing with the journey. Some only have a second, they slow down, fold their hands, ring the temple bell and keep moving. Others stay longer, offering sweets, coconuts and even small bottles of liquor as prasad. They say that on this road, logic ends where faith begins. If your journey ever takes you down the path from Jodhpur to Pali, don't just drive past. Stop your wheels, step out and witness it for yourself. If you enjoyed this journey into India's hidden mysteries, hit the like button and share this with someone who loves a good legend. Have you ever experienced something unexplainable on the road? Tell me your story in the comments below. Thanks for watching.